Have you ever done something that made your boss or colleagues say, "Wow, you're so smart"? Well, today I'll show you how to impress them by sending automated email reports directly from Excel. Let me tell you about the day I earned the nickname Automation Guy at the office. All thanks to Excel and a few lines of code. I used to send the same sales report every Monday morning. I would open the Excel file, update the data, export it to PDF, compose an email, attach the file, and then send it to 10 people every single week. It took me 20 minutes, sometimes more if the file crashed or I forgot to attach the report. Yep, that happened more than once. Then one Friday, I stayed late in the office and thought, there has to be a better way. That's when I discovered you can automate emails using Excel and Outlook. With the help of VBA, I created a macro that did it all: grabbed the updated report, converted it into a PDF, wrote a custom message, attached the file, and sent the email automatically in less than 3 seconds. On Monday, instead of manually doing it, I just clicked one button and watched Excel do my job for me. No stress, no typos, no forgotten attachments. I even added dynamic fields so the email could include the recipient's name, the reporting period, and custom text, all from the Excel sheet. When my manager saw it, he asked, "Wait, you didn't send that manually?" I said, "Nope. Excel did it while I grabbed coffee." That one solution saved me 17 hours a year and got me noticed. If you're still sending reports manually, stop. In this video, I'll show you how to automate email reports from Excel using simple steps and a bit of VBA. Don't worry if you have no coding background. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send automated emails from Excel. Okay, let's get started. Here's my email report. Every week I send this email with the latest sales data to my team. Now it takes me less than a minute to prepare and send this email. But it wasn't like this from the start. At first, I used to send a lot of manual emails. You know the type: open the Excel file, copy the data, paste it into an email, write a message, attach the file, and then click send. This process took a lot of time and was prone to errors. I often forgot to send the emails or I made typos in the message. It was frustrating. That's why I decided to take action. I wanted to find a way to automate the process of sending email reports. After some research, I found out that I could use VBA code to automate repetitive tasks such as sending emails, so I started learning VBA. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about how to create a system to send emails automatically from Excel. The first step is to create a new module in Visual Basic. To do this, open the Visual Basic editor, go to the Insert tab under the modules, select Module 1. This will create a new module where we will write our VBA code. Next, we need to declare variables that we will use in our code. We will use the Outlook application object to represent the Outlook application. We will also use the item property to represent an email message. Finally, we will use the send method to send the email message. Now let's start writing our code. First, we will set the message body to the value of the cell A1. Then we will set the subject of the email to the value of cell B1. Next, we will set the to and from address. Finally, we will call the send method to send the email. Before we move on, I want to share a secret with you. This is an advanced level Excel tutorial. Alright, now it's time to test our code. Open the Visual Basic editor and press F5. This will run our code and send an email with the text from cell A1. Check your inbox to see the email. Congratulations! You have just sent an email using VBA. But we are not done yet. We need to create a button in Excel that will run our VBA code. Select the cell where you want to place the button, go to the Insert tab under the buttons. Select the button. Now right-click the button and select Assign Macro. Select the macro you created earlier and click OK. Now when you click the button, it will send an email with the text from cell A1. But we can make it better. Right-click the button and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Caption tab and change the text to something more descriptive like Send Email. Click OK, and now you have a button in Excel that sends an email. If you want to learn more about VBA, I highly recommend checking out these awesome courses. Keep watching and stay tuned for more updates.